So today na match for third place,
Na
England
na two
and
things
France.
we mess up for their semi-final.
And now Ronaldo fans carry bad luck comot them for this World Cup because they have been playing good. And once na carry una support meet them, they start to dey play rubbish. But that one I sabi well analyze football. So this match now for me, I feel like say na this match go decide golden boot because in the other hand, Mbappe and Messi did the same goal, but
Yes.
Messi get assist pass am. So Messi as a stand Messi fit win golden boot if Mbappe no do anything for the match. So Kane get 6 goals, Bellingham get 6 goals. So we don't know whether they go come score more than 2 goals for the match to chase up Messi for the golden boot.
People we go really show for the golden boot if that Hurricane them or Mbappe. That if they come out serious with seriousness for this match, because as they lose that semi-final, they don't lose morale
Moral to play
and
the match
motivation
then.
where they will use play this third place, because this third place now if they fit just come out, make they
Even
just come
England
play.
coach sef don talk am say dey zeal to play the third place. No, they say him go start many players wey never play World Cup
Same thing with
since
France. Now just say make they just play and maybe say
they complete.
they play the third place, because no be wetin they want be this. This third place
Both
just dey
dey
like make they use
console them for reaching
make
semi-final.
they use console them.
But e dey
But
somehow sha.
today match na match wey for me e just dey 50-50, because the two teams don already lose their semi-final. They don lose their morale wey they go use play better football today. So team wey fit win today na team wey don heal, wey don already heal from the semi-final. Na team wey go win this match, because if the two teams relax, na mean say they fit go extra time. But if one team pick up, dey very serious say im wan win this third place, make e be something wey dey carry for am for this World Cup. Make e no be like say they come this World Cup without nothing. And na the team wey go win. But the team wey dey look say na dem go dey more serious to win this match na France, because France go don dey heal, and France go wan make, and Mbappe go like make e score.
Yeah, that France wey I dey feel say they go win.
Because England, I don't really know wetin to talk about England sha, but na with France squad with everything wey they get, France dey likely to win this match, because of say they go like make they go house with something. They no go like
Make dem carry medal go house.
make they just go empty-handed. At least make they just carry medal go house. At least they don try with their squad. They no suppose even they play third place
They
sef.
no
Na
say,
even
yeah,
final sef. They suppose dey play final with
either Spain or Argentina, anybody.
they suppose dey play final with them, no
But
be with England
But
sha.
on the other
But
hand, if England play wetin they play against Argentina, they no dey shake anything
the
for the match.
same thing with
So
France. If
France play wetin they play against Spain, England fit win them. But for me, England fit don heal better, and Spain fit don heal better.
France,
Sorry, France fit
France,
don heal better because after wetin they play against Spain,
uh,
before they come watch wetin England play against Argentina. So them they play first, so they fit heal faster than England.
England.
So France now, the two players fit gain more zeal to win the match, like Olise and Mbappe, because Olise is 5 assists, Messi dey 4 assists. So if he one play, make him get more assists to get playmaker award for the World Cup.
Yeah.
Mbappe fit try to score more goal to get golden boot for the World Cup. So France for me, I dey support say I dey feel like say France they don heal and they get more players wey get zeal to play for the third place. Though even if no be for the medal, but for that maybe golden boot and the playmaker award. So, but may we watch out on France versus Argentina,
watch out
France versus England.
how today match go be
May we know
sha.
who go put more effort to win the match.